Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. You could also contact us through our website, the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. My fellow Caribbean people, people of Africa, people of color, Latin Americans, America, the United States of America, wasn't made for white people. Actually, white people came here, slaughtered Native Americans directly and indirectly, and took over America. In fact, Native Americans had what we call the Navarro Indians. They had a system where various tribes were represented, a federation of tribes. And the Navarro Indians, a woman could be the president of the organization. Now, what we call the founding fathers in America, or their founding fathers, didn't want to give women the right to vote, and obviously a woman couldn't be the president of the United States of America. Fast forward, 2024. If you listen to the news in America, all they talk about is the battleground states. And most of those battleground states is a bunch of white people who are more to the right than to the left. So Kamala, Biden, all of these great Democrats, they pander to these people. They behave like if they should be anti-immigrant, but they should not be anti-immigrant. So when President Joe Biden talks about securing the border, well, America's border wasn't secure when white people were in this country coming in droves, and when white people as green card holders were voting in elections. In fact, they took away that right for green card holders to vote. We have to understand history, and we have to put it in perspective. All those white poor people from Eastern Europe, Western Europe, and they didn't like Eastern Europeans. So Eastern Europeans is like, black and brown people to them. So the U.S. tradition is a history of racism. It's a history of segregation. You could be better qualified as a man or a woman of color and bet you $1 million some white people going to get that job before you. So they say, get an education, you get it. They still don't want to give you that top job position. What did I do? I started my own law practice. I am not dependent on some white man to give me a job because they're not intelligent enough to hire me. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Am I confident? Yes, I understand the law. I do my research. I make my arguments. I do the job. And I do the job better than some white folks too. I've seen people go to lawyers, mostly white people, that charge them 2, 3, 4 times that money that they shouldn't be paying. Yeah. But hey, a lot of our people, unfortunately, when they don't understand history, they think white is smarter than black and brown also, unfortunately. President Biden, potential President Kamala Harris. Hey, get your act together. Yes, I understand you want the states that you need to win, but you'd rather give away the whole everything. And what I'll prefer you all do is that you all make promises now, and then when you win, you don't keep it. Why? Because I want more people to cross the border. I think that border should be open. Let's get all them black and brown people as quickly as possible. I can't wait until 2050 when the majority will be the minority. 52% of the population in 2050 would be, the number one majority will be South Asians like Kamala. And she's both black and South Asian. Second would be what? Latinos. And third will be those who identify as being black. Yes. And they will make up almost 52% of the U.S. population in 2050. I prefer 2040 or 2030 or 2025 or 2024. Why? Please, give me a break. Who has more moral character than people of color? When you look at KKK, Russia, and Trump, that boy's so honest, so racist, and so honest. And he tells you like it is. He tells you what you want to do. He reminds me of Hitler. Hitler said he was going to kill the Jews. He said that in his book, Mein Kampf. Read that book. So it wasn't like if he was hiding the fact that he's a racist, Hitler, and that he wanted to destroy Jews. Well, KKK, Russia, and Trump reminds me of this Hitler guy. And he wants to obviously make America whiter again. That's his agenda. That's the agenda that he has and other people have. Don't ever feel unwelcome to America, because most people of color want you here, because we want to move our minority to a majority. Come get a green card. Immigrate to America. Yes. Come get your political asylum if the violence in Trinidad and Tobago is too much to handle, or in the rest of the Caribbean. What are your chances of getting that political asylum if you're from Haiti or Jamaica or other countries? Get your family in the U.S. to petition for you immediately if they can. Parents could petition for their children back home. Children could petition for their parents back home. Brother-sister petitions, yes, it takes 12 years. But if you're coming from the Philippines or China, it takes 25 years, yes. It is better that they petition for you now and the time starts moving until your priority date is current, rather than you have nothing on your behalf that is in with immigration. So you need a consultation from a learned attorney, whether it be immigration law, wills, trust, estate planning. Yes, it's sophisticated, but I am a sophisticated gentleman. Matrimonial issues, yes, divorces, contested, uncontested. Yes, it's a full-service law firm. We have the attorneys, we have the paralegals, we have the infrastructure to handle your case diligently. Additionally, when you sign a retainer agreement with the law firm, we give you a 3, 4, 5-page analysis or more about what your case is about and how we could win your case, or what is the chances of winning your case, so that you could understand the legal process. At Ask the Lawyer, our website, the law firm of Figure & Associates, www.askthelawyer.us, we also have, and it explains what a legal consultation is. An informed client is the best client that you could ever have. In fact, someone is calling me right now. I have to tell them I can't take this message. So the lines are always busy, but we have time for your calls, your emails. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. If you're listening to this program in another country, welcome to our show. Spread the news with other people in the country. Let them give us a call. Let them listen to this program. And again, America is our country. I am claiming it. Okay? I put a whole bunch of Caribbean, African flags all over Brooklyn, saying welcome to Brooklyn. You just need to come across the border, or you need to come here by plane, or you need to come here through family petitions. Whichever, obviously, journey you take, we always welcome you. Forget about Kamala. Forget about, what your name? KKK, Russian, Trump. They will never say, welcome to America in the manner in which they should. Peace, love.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.